Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our tutorial on the secrets to planning and hosting the perfect dinner party. Hosting a dinner party can be a lot of fun, but it can also be stressful if you're not properly prepared. That's why we've put together this comprehensive guide to help you plan and host a dinner party that will be enjoyable for both you and your guests. Secret 1. Start planning early. One of the biggest secrets to hosting a successful dinner party is to start planning early. This will give you plenty of time to invite your guests, plan the menu, and prepare your home. Consider setting a date at least a few weeks in advance, and start thinking about the theme, guest list, and menu as soon as possible. This will help ensure that everything is taken care of and you can focus on enjoying the party. Secret 2. Choose the right guests. Another key to a successful dinner party is inviting the right guests. Consider the size of your home and the number of guests you can comfortably accommodate. You'll also want to think about the people you want to invite and whether they'll get along with one another. It's a good idea to invite a mix of people, including friends, family, and colleagues. This will help create a more dynamic and interesting party. Just be sure to consider any potential conflicts and try to avoid inviting anyone who may cause drama or discomfort. Secret 3. Plan an impressive menu. A delicious and varied menu is an essential component of any successful dinner party. Consider the dietary restrictions of your guests and try to offer a variety of dishes that will appeal to everyone. You'll also want to consider the level of difficulty and time required to prepare each dish. To really impress your guests, consider offering a mix of appetizers, main courses, and desserts. You can also consider offering a variety of beverages, such as wine, beer, and non-alcoholic options. Secret 4. Prepare your home. Before your guests arrive, it's important to make sure your home is ready for the party. This includes cleaning and tidying up, setting the table, and making sure you have all the necessary equipment and supplies. Consider adding some decorations or setting the mood with music to make the party more festive. You might also want to set up a bar area with glasses and mixers, as well as a designated area for coats and bags. Secret 5. Stay organized and stay calm. One of the biggest secrets to hosting a successful dinner party is to stay organized and stay calm. Make a list of everything that needs to be done and try to tackle tasks in advance. This will help reduce stress and ensure that everything runs smoothly on the day of the party. If you do encounter any issues or unexpected challenges, try to stay calm and deal with them as best you can. Remember, the most important thing is that everyone is having a good time. Secret 6. Have fun and enjoy the party. Finally, the most important secret to hosting a successful dinner party is to have fun and enjoy the party. Don't worry about everything being perfect. Just have fun and make sure your guests are having a good time. If you follow these secrets, you'll be well on your way to planning and hosting the perfect dinner party. We hope these secrets will help you plan and host a perfect dinner party. With a little bit of planning and preparation, you can throw a memorable and enjoyable party that your guests will love. Good luck and happy hosting! Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.